Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some previous year questions from Alphabetic series. These questions came into your SSC MTS exams. The details of the shift and the date of the exam is given over here for your reference. Now let us look at question number 1. So over here, this is a alphabetic series, and in this we use the concepts of forward rank, backward rank, loop, and opposite letters. So these are the 4 concepts that we use for solving questions like these. Now let me give them forward ranks. So if you remember the shortcut for forward rank, which we have discussed multiple times, it is Ejoti, where E is 5, J is 10, O is 15, T is 20 and Y is 25. So with the help of this shortcut, you can solve questions based on your alphabets. Correct? Now let us look over here. So V is basically the forward rank for V is 22, for S it is 19 and for P it is 16. Similarly for N, if we talk about N, the forward rank is 14, K is 11 and H is 8. F is 6, C is 3 and this is 26. So now I will look at the first element, that is V, N and F. So if I look at V, N and F, okay. So from V to N to F, V is 22, this is 14 and this is 6. So over here I am doing a minus, how much? Minus 8 to get over this, correct? And from 14 to 6 also I am doing a minus 8. Then I am getting 6, correct? So from here also I will do a minus 8. So if I do minus 8 from F, so let me say A, B, C, D, E, F. And before this, we will get X, Y. Correct? So if I do minus 8 from F, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then 8. And 8 will be how much? This is your Z, Y and X. Correct? So at 8th position, we will have X. And the rank of X is 24. So when we reduce 8 from 6, we will go back to X. That is your 24th rank. Correct? Now let us look at, so let me write these alphabets really quickly, because if we are going back, it will be easier for you. Okay? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. Now, if I look at the second element is S, K and C. S is 19, K is how much? It is 11 and C is 3. So this is also, if 19 to 11 is minus 8 and from 11 to 3 is also minus 8. So from C, if I have to go minus 8. So this is my C. If I have to go minus 8, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We will go to U. Okay. And at U, the number is 21. So if we go back from C, we will go to U. Clear? Now let us look at the third letters, which are P, H and Z. So P is 16, H is 8 and Z is 26. So again 16 to 8 means minus 8. And from 8 to 26, that also means minus 8. How? Let's say if I have to go, okay, from H. So 8 positions back from H. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then back to Z. So this is how I'll go back from Z. So from 26, I have to reduce 8. So I will get 18. Correct? 18th position is which one? 18th position is R. Therefore, I will get R. So the final letters that I'm getting is X, U and R, which is given in option number 3. Therefore, option number 3 will be your correct answer to this question. Clear? Moving on to question number 2. Question number 2, again, we have to find the missing elements. Let us take T, I and X. These are your first ones, T, I and X. So T is 20 I is 9, and X is how much? X is 24. So I can't really make out a pattern. This is basically from T to I. If I'm going, that means I am reducing it by 9, reducing it by 11. And from 9 to 24, if I'm going, I am adding how much into it? I am adding 15 into it. Correct? I am subtracting 11 and I adding 15. So this does not make sense to me. So let us again look at the backward way. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Correct? These are your alphabets. So now from I to X, if I have to go. From I to X, if I go back, okay, if I am going back, so this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I can say that I am moving back by 11. Correct? I can say that I am moving back by 11. So now also I'll move back by 11. So if I reduce it by 11, I'll get 13th. And what is the forward rank? 13th is M. So my first alphabet will be M. Clear? Over here I'll get M. Moving on to the next one, which is P, E, and T. So T is 20, E is 5, and P is 16. So here I can see clearly this is minus 11. And from 5 to 20 is plus 15. But now we saw that plus 15 can be equal to minus 11 from E if I have to move back. Okay, so from E I am moving back. This is my E. I am moving back by 11 positions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So this is also minus 11. So if I do minus 11 from here, which position I'll get? I will get 9th position. And at 9th position, we have which forward rank? 9th position, we have I. So my next word will be I. Clear? Moving on to the next letter, which is M, B, Q, and then we have to find out. So M position is 13, B is 2, and Q position is 17. Correct? Q is 17. So this is clearly minus 11. And from 2 to 17 is plus 15, which means minus 11 here also. So now I will do minus 11, and after reducing 11, I'll get 6. So at 6th position, we have F. So my word, the next element I will get will be MIF, which is given in option number 1. Therefore, option number 1 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Now, moving on to question number 3. So let us look at the first now. This is 14, this is 13, these are the forward ranks, this is 12 and this is 11. So clearly we are going minus 1. So next minus 1 will be 10, and at 10 position we have a J. Clear? Now I am changing the color of my pen for the next one. Y is how much? Y is 25, X is 24, W is 23, V is 22. So here also I am seeing from 25 to 24 to 23 to 22, I am going minus 1. So now I will go minus 1 back to 21. And at 21 I will have U. Correct? Now let us look at the third one. So third one, D is 4, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1. So now I am going back one position. So from 4, 3, 2, 1. From A, if I go back, I have to go back to Z, which is 26. So my missing element will be J, U and Z, which is given in option number 1. Therefore, option number 1 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Very easy question. Moving on to question number 4. So again, I am using the concept of forward ranks. This is S is how much? S is 19, C is 3 and M is 13. So if I go from S to C to M. So this is 19, this is 3 and this is 13. So basically this is minus 16, correct? And from C, this is plus how much? Plus 10. This is minus 16 and plus 10. But I cannot find the pattern for the next one. Now let's say that I am adding 10 from S. So if my alphabets are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are your alphabets. Now from S, I am going to C. I am adding. So if I add from S, if I move forward positions, I will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So minus 16 can be written as plus 10 also. Correct? This can be written as plus 10. So this is plus 10, plus 10. So here also get plus 10. So from 13 to plus 10, I will get 23 position. And at 23 position, which alphabet is there? We have W. Correct? So my first will be W. Okay. Coming to the next one. Next one is W, G and Q. So W is what position? 23. We found out. G is what position? G is 7. And Q is what position? Q is basically 17. So here we have plus 10. And from 23 to 7, now I see 23 is W. Correct? So from W, if I am moving plus 7, it will be, plus 10. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It will come to G. So this is basically plus 10. Correct? This is also plus 10. So now I will do plus 10. Plus 10 will give me 27th rank. Do we have a 27th rank? No. 26 is the last for Z. So I will get the first rank over here, which is A. So the next one will be A. Clear? Now moving on to A, K and U. So A is 1, K is 11 and U is how much? U is 21. So this is clear plus 10. This is also clear plus 10. Now I have to do plus 10. Plus 10 will give me 31. Do we have a 31? No. So from U I am seeing, okay. So from U if I go, this is my U and I will go plus 10. So plus 10 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So plus 10 will bring me to E. So my next word will be E, which is 5. So over here we will get E. Correct? So my answer will be WAE, which is given in option number 4. Therefore, option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Now let us look at question number 5. So in question number 5, again, we have a missing series and we have to find out. So if I look at the first letters, it will be R, D and P. So R is 18, D is 4 and P is 16. So here I can see clearly it is plus 12. And from 18 to 4, it is minus 14. So now if I look at the alphabets again, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are my alphabets. So now if I'm moving forward, instead of going backward, if I'm moving forward from R to D, so this is my R. So I will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I can write this as plus 12. Which concept? Looping concept. Correct? This is what we are doing. So based on the looping concept, this is plus 12. So now let us look at this next element. So plus 12 will give me 28. Do we have a 28? No. After 26, we will get 2 more. So it will give me second position, which is B. So my first missing element will be B. Correct? Now let us look at the second one. So we have U, G and S. So U is how much? 21. G is how much? G is 7 and S is 19. So here also I can see plus 12. And from 21 to 7, I can see minus 14. Now we saw that minus 14 is basically plus 12 only. So this is also plus 12. If you want to confirm, let us confirm. So from U to G, okay. So from U, if I have to go plus 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. I will get G. So this is also plus 12. So now I will get plus 12. Plus 12 will give me 31. Do we have a 31? No. So we will go, instead of counting, now we will go from S. So from S, we will go plus 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we will get 5th position, which is E. Clear? Now let us look at the third one, which is Y, K and W. So Y is 25, K is 11 and W is how much? W is 23. So clearly plus 12 over here, correct? And over here we have minus 14, correct? And now we know that minus 14 can be written as plus 12. So now we will do plus 12 to continue with the series. I will get 35. Do we have a 35? No, we have only till 26. So from W, if I have to go to plus 12 from W. So this is my W. Now I have to go plus 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 12. So my position will be, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So my position will be I, which is 9. So from W, if I go 12 positions forward, it will be I, 9. So my answer will be B, E and I, which is given in option number 3. Therefore, option number 3 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Now let us look at question number 6. So question number 6, again certain are given to us and we have to identify. So if I look at Z, Z is 26, W is 23, correct? T is 20, okay? And Q is 70. So this is basically minus 3 and minus 3. So the next element will be minus 3, which is 14. And at 14th position, we have N. So first element will be N. Now let us look at the next one. So M is 13, K is 11, I is 9 and G is 7. So this is basically from 13 to 11 is minus 2, 11 to 9 is minus 2 and 9 to 7 is also minus 2. So now I will go minus 2. From 7 to minus 2 will give me 5 and at 5th position we have E. Clear? Now let us look at the third one. So third, L is 12, K is how much? K is 11, J is 10 and I is 9. So this is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So now I will go minus 1. Minus 1 will give me 8 and at 8th position we have H. So my entire missing element will be NEH, which is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Moving forward to question number 7. Question number 7 again, same pattern question. So we have to find out. Over here, if I see H, G and F, correct? The first one I'm seeing H, G and F. So H, G, F. H is 8. Sorry, H is H is 8, G is 7, F is 6. So 8, 7, 6. Next will be 5, which is E. Correct? So let me write E over here. Then let us look at J, H and F. So J, H and F. So J is 10, H is 8 and F is 6. So this is minus 2. This is minus 2. So the next one will be minus 2. Minus 2 will give me 4 and at 4th position we have D. So the next one will be D. Clear? Now let us look at the third one, which is K, H and E. So K, H and E. K is 11, H is 8, E is 5. So this is basically minus 3. This is also minus 3. So the next will also be minus 3, which will give me 2, which will give me B. So the next one will be B. Over here, the first one, if I find the pattern, this was minus 1. Correct? Now, if I look at the fourth one, L, H and D. So L, H and D. L is how much? L is 12, H is 8 and D is 4. So this is basically minus 4. This is basically minus 4. So now I will get minus 4. So minus 4 from D will give me 0. Do we have a 0? No. After 1, that is A, we will go back to Z. So I will get Z, which is 26. So over here I will get Z. So E, D, B, Z will be my next element. This is given in option number 1. Therefore, option number 1 will be the next elements. Okay? Clear? Moving on to question number 8. Question number 8, single letters are given to us. So let me give them forward rank. From C, which is 3, we go to W. W is basically 23. From this, we go to 5 and U is basically 21. So I see a lot of jumps. This is basically plus 20 and similarly, this is also a huge jump. This is also a huge jump. So now when I see jumps like these, I am assuming that maybe we are going backwards and not forward. Okay, so from, let's say I am writing the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are your alphabets. From C, instead of going forward, I am going back now. So from C to W will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It will be basically from C to W, it will be minus 6. Correct? Now, from W to E, instead of going forward, okay, instead of going backwards, because this was 23. This was 20, W was 23. So instead of going backwards, I am going forward now. So from W, if I have to go to E, okay, because this was a big jump. Instead of going backwards, I'm going forward. So from W, if I'm going to E, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct? So this will be plus 8. This is minus 6. This is plus 8. Now from E to U, if I go forward, it is a big jump. Correct? If I go forward, it is a big jump. So instead of going forward, let me go backwards. So from E, backwards I'm going. Okay. So from E, I'm going backward to U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from E to U, it will be minus 10. Now do we see a pattern? There is a pattern of minus 6 plus 8 minus 10. So the next number will be 12. These are alternative even numbers. Correct? These are your consecutive even numbers. And the symbol will be plus. Because we have minus, plus, minus. So the next one will be plus. So we will go plus 12. So from U, if I have to go 12 positions forward. Okay. From U, 12 positions forward will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 12 position forward will give me G, which is 7. Correct? And my answer will be option number 1, G. Okay? Now let us look at question number 9. So question number 9, again a series is given to us and we have to find the missing element. So if I look at the series, T is 20, J is 10 and Z is 26. Correct? So this is basically minus 10 and this is plus 16. So now I have to see whether we can do the same pattern. So instead of going forward, can I go backwards? So I am writing my alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So this is how I am writing. Now from J, if I go backwards. So from J, instead of going forward, I am going backwards. So I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In 10, if I go back 10 positions, I will go to Z. So now I will go back 10 positions to go to my next letter, which is 16th position. And at 16th position, we have P. Clear? Now, if I look at the options, there is only one option which has P in it. So I can eliminate option number 2, 3 and 4 using elimination approach. Correct? So after eliminating 2, 3 and 4, The correct answer will be option number 1, PMJ. So in your exams, instead of solving the entire question, just solve the first letter, and if you can eliminate all the options, well and good, and then select your answer, which is option number 1, PMJ. No need to solve it any further. Okay, now let us look at question number 10. Question number 10, we have EGLV. So E is 5, G is 7, L is 12, and V is 22. Correct? So here we have plus 2. From G to L, we have plus 5. And from L to V, we basically have plus 10. So my series is 2, 5 and 10. So if I look over here, 2 to 5 is plus 3. 5 to 10 is plus 5. So now if I go plus 7, I'll get 17. So if I add plus 17 over here, the next element, that is 17. So 22 plus 17. We have only 26 alphabets. Correct? So this is not possible. Now let us see. If I am writing the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. This is what I'll write. So from V, if I go 17 positions forward, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. So at 17th position, we will have M, which is 13 otherwise. Okay. So my answer will be option number 1, M. Clear? So these were your questions on alphabetic series from SSC MTS. This concludes today's lecture. Thank you.